Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, February 28. The time is 5 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of the Dow Jones Future is 60 minutes chart. Again, we are just looking from the short-term point of view. For the longer term indices, you can get some kind of overview on the S&P Futures from yesterday's video. It applies the same with the Dow basically, right? So cannot rule out still at this point another leg higher later on. But if not, then the alternate is going to be that we are ending the cycle from 2009, the 11-year bull run, and then we will do the biggest pullback since 2009. As possible alternate. All right, but for now we're gonna be focusing, because we already talked a lot about the longer term view yesterday. We're gonna be focusing on the shorter cycle today. So this is the Dow Jones. We can see, okay, ignoring all this higher degree count, focusing on just this move lower here, the sell-off that started on February 13. Okay, we got an impulse here, 1 2 3 4 5, ending A with this one as your connector, right? So we're calling this as an ABC for now, so to make it easier to basically get the possible target on the downside. So here we got an A and then a B, right? We got this one, divergence here, right? We have a divergence there, usually signaling that is a wave 5, and 100% extension is going to be 24,600. Okay, this is going to be a possible target on the downside. So in the shorter cycle, this selling pressure is going to be with us for a while, all the way to next month, right? And it's going to take a while here before we finally calm down and stabilize a bit and then do some sort of a bounce. This previous few days has been quite brutal, right? Quite brutal for the stock market in general. But again, here we are looking for the downside in the shorter cycle, and we are aiming now for 24,600 now, all the way to 22,800. Now, if it hits to 22,800, then possibly this can even become a massive 1 2 3 with a very shallow 2 here. And then go all the way to the downside. It will be really extreme if that happens. It's too extreme, right? So again, we're going to be assuming the less extreme case here. We should be looking for some sort of consolidation from here, right? Some sort of slowing down of the decline, consolidation somewhere around, let's say, 24,600 and 24,000, right? So this is the area we should be aiming for, some sort of consolidation and slowing down of the sell-off. In the meantime, the shorter cycle, expect for the downside selling pressure to continue until we hit this target area over here. Okay, so that is a quick update here in the Dow Jones Futures, and I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone.